Shebo. Tana la nta ku byela ku famba yini. Emhlamuserini ku leyi a nge le ku fambeni yo mu ngi sapota yi ta n'wi veka khombyeni. Hi mi byerini ku leyi n'wehe a tsutsumaka yoho buti wa n'wehe yi ta n'wi vavisa yi ta n'wi veka khombyeni. Number one, it's very risky ku owner kumbe ku fambisa kumbe ku rhana club andzeni ka doroba ra Joni. Ku rhana club andzeni ka doroba ra Joni very risky. It's very risky. It needs someone loyi a nga private. Ku rhana club kumbe ku fambisa club andzeni ka doroba ra Joni, it's very risky. It needs someone who's private, loyi a nga tumbela. Number one, a ti vutsi reason ya ku yena why va front ye a 17. Vo vini va tavern kumbe vini va club a va lava ku ta voniwa, va lava ku ta tiviwa. What is the reason behind that? If you get that right, you will understand how you will understand kuri owning or running a tavern andzeni ka doroba ra Johannesburg swi dangerous ku fika kwini. Number two, loko i ri famous kumbe i lava fame, i nga kandziyi vanhu va ku tala milenge, i nga ri rich, i nga ri protected, you will die. The reason vanhu va ku tala lava va nga very rich kumbe va nga famous va ti isolate, va tshama ka ti estate, va lava protection because va swi tiva ku va na ti enemy ta ku tala. Number four, don't do wrong and right at the same time. More especially loko ri like this industry, i nge endli right na wrong at the same time. Where i le ku promote ka music wa xigaza kumbe i le ku promoteni ka ti artist ta magaza. U va vitetela, we recently saw vitana va Jojo Maluleke, vitana va man. You are bringing them there, but when you go live at the live video ta way, you mock them. U va vulavuswana, u va vula ku twandlala, kweni teke mali ni n'wi nyika ni fu famba jana vanhu. You do not respect your business. Xa ku sungula xexo wa vona leyi ku byela ku yo a wu nga yi voni ende a wu ri kule na yona. Vanhu va professional, they don't even disclose ku ri Mthimbani ni n'wi nyike 3,000 a nga tshama yi endla, ni n'wi nyike 5,000 a nga tshama yi endla. You mock them and u downgrade a standard xa vona. Na sweswi ya swi tiva ku ya ta rhamba Mthimbani loko a yi charge 50,000 a n'wi byela ku tseka wena you deserve 3,000 because i khandziye ya Pitori u yela 6,000. You understand? So align nayo yaliya wena Gagash a wu lava ku gaya hi nchumu, a wu lava ku gaya hi vafana lava hoyi ku hlamusela. Loko va vula ve ti V class ya laveka le yi huma kona, a wu zangi i swi entertainer evurini khanyi phela. A ku V class vini va yoho ve le ku yi laveni, n'we mo tsutsuma na yoho minkarhi mi ala na yoho V class yaleyo. You understand? Now you went and buy something lexi nge i lodge. By so doing, we congratulate you ka sweswo congratulate mara a wu size I resolve ti-enemy leti I nga ti creator by dating that wife of yours or marrying that wife wa twisisa and wena you're too public ma n'wi vona se a tsutsumela ka bungeni a fika ku va famba ka bungeni V-class yi huma kwini ai inanene yaleyo mali lava a va tekiwe kwini anything xa ku va na ti-estate xi nga ha ku fakela vutomi bya wena akhombyeni because ka ha ri na njhekanjhekisano wa swa timali between the divorce lava va divorceaku va ri vambirhi kumbe lava nga divorce a va tsakangi lava va nga va divorce hala famajana vana is watching one this is so u rhanga yi cheka yaleyo ni ku commentarini la ka nsati wa wena ni ku after marriage wa n'wena one of the two a fane a sungule ku tumbela hayi ku tumbela le cover up that's why u sambona nsati wa president we va karhi va ku ye endla briefing ye mara we I live na ye nsati wa we live I nghena live ya wena ya nghena live ye mi rivale ku fane ku va na mamba ya tumbetiwa fane ku va na un'we la a fane a vuyisa dignity ya muti a tumbela ku nga your wife because profession ya yena na yo yi require ku a tumbela man twisisa a va munhu wa private mara wena you drag a va munhu wa public man twisisa sweswiwani u sungula fight na vafana va le ka bungeni lava va nga khoma power loko swi ta ka xigaza and vanhu support ya we I ya magaza wavo ti-allegations teto loko ku ri ku nsati wa wena a ri loyara hi mpela those allegations a ta va ku khuzini mara a ka ha ri loyara ko va loyara ra kwala ka Facebook bla 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 wa twisisa la yena a fane a khuzini ku khuza ka wena a ku khuza ku leswi baby nga tsali leswi I nga vuli because loko vo tshuka va hi pfulela case ku nga va na problem wavo se nsati wa wena a ku khuzi swa right you married wrong my guy you married a lawyer loyi a kalaka a nga ri ku endleni ka ntirho wa yena loko ku ri ku your lawyer wife a tiva ntirho wa yena a ta va ku byerini this is a serious allegations you understand and once you say you've got money people will come for that money tindlela ta ku tala they can come for that money ku kusuwa and then I kuma se I ri na 0 balance ka bank account because of what you are saying in public or what you are telling people the allegations whether you've got something to lose now since you said you're a millionaire you've got a lot to lose so you must check what you say you must check what you do more especially where there's no or zero evidence you understand laka live leyi a hi la ta ku hi n'wi kombisa ku once I va ka xiyimo lexi we I nge I le ka xona xa ku va na mali I le ka danger there are villains outside ku na vanhu lava va endlaku mali hi ku suwa n'wena va ku va na mali and legally vanhu va suwiwa I twa nga ku hina hi mhaka a hi na mali na loko wo I ta nsuwa ni twa ku ho ya nsuwa a ni na loko I nsuwini va ta fika va ku va lava 1 million va kuma ku a na yona but wena you say ku ri u na mali u tala ka Facebook u ta endla ti-serious allegations it will make you broke my guy they will drag you to court and once they drag you to court u lose ti-battle tele court because you've tarnished their name and their brand they will sue you remember Triple T is a brand it's a company you understand if they sue you ku va u thanishe vito ra brand ya vona swi nga endleka i luza a lot of millions loko ku ri ku indeed timillion ti kona. So you must be very careful. The reason vanhu va va na ti-life coach va va na ti-mentor va va na everything, it's because va va fike ka level ya ku va rich. A loko se va va ri rich vanhu van'wanyana, they need advisors, people who you can sit down with va ku coacha about life and social media. I told your wife that day, look, social media, she should leave social media for you, because social media ka wehe oh fina takes okay, it's something lexi xi mi generatela ku income man twisisa wehe ku ba pongo ka wehe ka Facebook, social media swi ku generatela income, which is not, it's not wrong, you understand, it's fine. But do you check now? Do you check Koer? Do you check Koer in public? What are you telling people? Not the serious allegations, my guy. We love you as Gaza Nation, but shy away from serious allegations. Glass of water, please, with ice. You understand? Shy away from serious allegations. Now you don't know who is trying to assassinate you, because you provoke a lot of people. You understand? You can provoke what Pilan provoke like provoke because va shabelela shinkwa from Koer, apologies live and stuff like that. Provoke those ones. There are underground people you should not provoke. Some people take social media very serious. I told your wife last time, no, consider that thing as a warning. You should have just considered that thing as a warning. That one was a warning. No, man, we need to now lay low. You understand? But no, you went on, you came back, started making allegations, provoking people, threatening people, posting pictures of people va innocent. Like, and so forth. You understand? They assassinate. And Shingwan business ya bzala is very complex, more especially ka line le ungile ka yo ele jobek. Kuna vanhu va ku tala va funyetele mabuwa hi maka business liya. I love pongo. You understand? I love pongo, I love rice. Kuna competition ta ku tala la Pretoria la. Kuna competition ta ku tala ngopfu. That competition ta ku tala ngopfu. So limit some stuff. Limit. Relax. So ya ku relax. Ida kunika 2 months or 3 months. If you continue with those allegations, it's either you will die or uta kuma lawsuit ya ka inga kufanele. Vanhu, they will always be against let me say progress ya munhu wa ku va na pongo. If you make a lot of noise, they come for you. Even the hawks, are we rebelling now? They were coming, still coming because of the noise. You understand? The source of everything. Why,